Good evening students, we are launching Target Batch 2.0. What is going to be there in Target Batch 2.0? Why is it required to be launched now for 2025 aspirants? It's very simple. Around 6 months remain in NEET 2025 and 6 months is a lot of time. If you are at a certain level right now, significant improvement in that performance is possible from two angles. First one, lot of time remaining. Lot of time is how much? 2000 hours of studies, and this can significantly improve your performance. I'm very clear about it. A structure needs to be provided. That is the attempt we are trying to do in Target 2.0. This is going to be Target Batch with an added bundle of revision plus mentorship. We are starting mentorship in Tamil with Dr. Hakim. You will get a different video from me in which I have interacted with Dr. Hakim. He had shared with you what he would do in his mentorship. He is a pass out of Madras Medical College, currently doing his post-graduation. Second thing is, revision is the key to success. Most of the students ignore it. They don't revise every day. So what happens is, as they keep moving forward, they keep forgetting things of the past. And that becomes a big problem. What is required is daily 2 to 3 hours of revision. And what we will do is, we will hold you accountable for not doing daily revision. This is what Dr. Hakim is going to do. In Tamil, it's going to be there. We'll hopefully start soon in Kannada, Telugu and Malayalam as well. But right now, we are starting in Tamil. So in the description of the video, there is a Google form which you can fill. Someone will call you, give you all the details. If you want to join the program with mentorship with Dr. Hakim in Tamil, you can fill up the Google form and someone will give you all the details. So what we are trying to do is understand this. There was a student called Ved Shinde. He had practiced 9,000 questions by this time last year. And finally, he ended up practicing 65,000 questions. 9,000 to 65,000 in 6 months. Shubhan Sen Gupta joined around at this time, scored rank 1. He found out about neetprep.com later. He joined our target batch, practiced 25,000 questions from now till NEET exam. So significant amount of practice is possible from this point on. If you have been into a bad habit of not practicing enough, this is the time to get into enough practice. So what we are going to do is this. One aspect of studies is PCB. You have to do theory of every chapter, physics, chemistry, biology, theory of every chapter. Physics or chemistry chapter, you have to practice 150 MCQs, bio 200 MCQs per chapter, and you have to write 20 to 25 full duration mock tests. You know, we are starting a new test series, Ascend 2.0, from 24th of November, and it will give you 20 mock tests to practice. Additionally, there are 6 bonus online tests. So the thing is, it is important to understand that you have to do all of this stuff. But to be able to do all of this stuff effectively, you need all of this. Motivation, routine, peer interaction, guidance, mentorship, accountability. Someone needs to hold you accountable, as I was saying. For example, you have to do daily revision. Before every mock test, you have to revise. After every mock test, you have to fix your weak areas, whatever you identified from the mock test, right? Competition, maintaining speed. So for this, physics, chemistry, biology studies, you have target batch. You do theory from wherever. You can do MCQ practice from here. You can generate custom test. You can generate DPP. For fixing your weak areas, there is high yield test series online, which is available in this. If you can't go to a classroom center of ours, there are flashcards available. You can bookmark questions and there is a performance snapshot. A detailed video explaining everything which you can use in the target batch is given in video description. You can go through it and you'll get a good idea. But for the remaining things, we are trying to enable Target 2.0 through a mentor. So what will happen is this. This is the schedule. This has also been posted on NEETprep Telegram channel. So let me summarize what you're getting in Target 2.0. So Target 2.0, first thing is you get the normal target batch, right? Everything I told you, all of this is going to be in target batch. Second thing is you'll get revision DPPs as per this schedule, right? So in the revision DPPs, what we will do is 16 weeks, we will revise 80 chapters, right? Which means 5 chapters per week. I requested you to do some kind of a Diwali detox right now. It will start from 4th November all the way up to 23rd February, and we have marked down all of these chapters here, right? Very good. First part, second part, and third part is to hold you accountable for revision around this schedule. To hold you accountable, there would be mentors from medical colleges, right? So they will make a Telegram group. They will expect you to report your progress, and they will also do weekly group calls. This is not going to be one-to-one mentorship. This is going to be group mentorship. So if you are an existing student of target batch, this thing is available. These revision DPPs would be available to you. Target batch is already available. For this, you will have to pay extra $499. Link of this is given in video description. If you have not joined target batch till now, this is a fantastic opportunity to join, to improve your problem solving skills, to improve your MCQ practice, and additionally to make sure that you hold yourself accountable against daily revision. And for that, we are also providing help from mentors who would push you along with other people who would also hold you accountable in the Telegram group, right, around these things. This will all get enabled through the Telegram group. So guys, this is it. I've explained everything about Target 2.0. Target 2.0 is going to be very effective if you are looking to get the maximum out of remaining 6 months. I would strongly recommend that you should join and get on the bandwagon with respect to practicing a lot in remaining 6 months. Practicing MCQs, writing mock tests, revising regularly, revising before mock test, and fixing your weak areas, whatever you will find out from the mock test. If you have any questions about Target 2.0, you can ask me in the comment section. We will be happy to answer. Right now, we are starting the Telegram group for students from Tamil Nadu. It would be, conversation would be in Tamil with Dr. Hakim, who is a pass out of Madras Medical College, right now doing his post-graduation. He has been mentoring NEET aspirants for a long time. He has decided to associate with this program, and I think this is going to be very good. Any questions you have, you can ask in the comment section. But starting Target 2.0, fill in the Google form which is given in the video description, and someone will call you and explain everything, and then you can join. Alright students.